This lesson is on frequency tables, calculating the median. Okay, again, our frequency table, the right-hand column that says frequency lets us know how many times the grades occurred. So here you have 3 of the 60s, 8 of the 70s, 12 of the 80s, 15 of the 90s, and 6 of the 100s. Now we know that median means finding the middle. So median equals the middle. Also, we know that if we're going to do this by hand, we would have to put all the numbers in order and then calculate the middle that way. Alright, so what happens when we have a lot of high frequencies here, like 12 and 15? We don't want to write down 12 of the 80s and 15 of the 90s. So what's another way to do this? Well, the frequency tells us how many total grades we have. So if we come through here, use our calculator to determine what's the total group. So we got 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 6. Okay, we have 44 students that had a grade between anywhere from 60 to a 100. Okay, so how do we know what would be, if there were 44 students, we would want to find the halfway point. So if you divide that by 2, we get the 22nd place. Now, because this is an even set, that means that there's going to be 2 numbers in the center. So we actually want to take the 22nd and the 23rd place and average them together. So we want to find the 22nd and the 23rd place and find their average. So let's look here. Let's figure out where 22 would be. 3 and 8 would put us at 11. 11 and 12 would put us at 23. So 23 would fall in the 80 range. So obviously 22 would also fall in the 80. So because they are both 80, it makes it simpler for us. 80 plus 80 is 160. Divide that by 2 and we get 80 again. So if the number is the same, then the average of those 2 numbers is the number. So 80 would be our middle here, which is our median. And this is a lesson on frequency tables, calculating the median.